All right, this news may mean the end for the ultimate selfie killer, the double chin.
That's right. The FDA approved a way to say goodbye to neck fat, and Dr. Alex Donat is here with his patient, Aaron Thompson, to show us how Kybella works. Did I say it right, Kybella?
Yes, Kybella.
All right. So what is Kybella, Dr. Donat?
So Kybella is a new injection that's just recently been FDA approved for treatment of moderate to severe neck fat. It's actually naturally derived. Well, it's similar to a naturally occurring substance that occurs in the bowel. Where we can break up bile fats, or fats in the diet, and it helps for absorption. So in the neck, it actually breaks up the fat cells, and they don't come back.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you just get a shot in...
Just get a few injections in the neck.
A few? How many?
It depends on how much fullness there is there, how much waddle there is, but usually it's very tolerable, as I think Aaron can attest, and it's a nice alternative to surgery for those who are afraid of having something like that done. There's really no downtime. So
here's
yeah. So there's Aaron's pictures, and just a little bit of submental fullness or fullness beneath the neck. She's otherwise very attractive and just had that little fullness that she wanted to get rid of.
Now, Aaron, I didn't. If I saw your before picture, I wouldn't have thought you really needed anything. Why did you want to get this?
Kind of runs in the family. We tend to get that little. Sorry, ladies, I love you all, but we tend to get that little gobble, if you will. And I just was starting to notice it become a little bit more pronounced. And I heard Dr. Donat was involved with this, becoming FDA approved, and asked him about it, and he thought I would be a good candidate.
So you were almost doing it almost as preventative.
Correct.
In a way, because you really didn't have much there.
Not ready to, go under the knife, so to speak, right? But I'm definitely pleased with the results. They're pretty significant.
Yeah. Now I'm wondering, doctor, if you can inject this in other parts of your body.
So
where I would like to get rid of this.
It's not recommended at this point.
Okay.
They're not, as far as I know, they're not currently studies underway, but I'm sure that will be coming.
So how fast does it work?
Yeah.
Fairly quickly. Would you say you noticed a difference in about a week or two?
Well, initially, I personally experienced a little bit of swelling, which dissipated probably within about first 3 to 4 days. And then it works over the course of about a month for each injection. I had 2 series. Is that how you would describe it?
Yep.
And so overall, about 2 months.
Wow.
Yeah, from start to finish.
And how many did you have to have of the injections?
Well, injections at one time, they were just tiny little pricks, and I think we did about 10 or 11 sticks in this area.
And 2 different series.
And 2 different, yeah.
Now, how much does something like this cost, Dr. Donat?
So it varies from about $600 to $1,200 per treatment, just depending on how much fullness there is. And 2 to 4 rounds of treatment are typical.
Any side effects?
Usually, most common things are a little bit of swelling, a little bit of discomfort, a little bit of bruising, and some numbness potentially. But those are the most common things.
Wow, so not
very
a lot of downtime or anything?
Ice and concealer, and you're good to go.
Well, thank you so much for coming in to tell us about this. We'll make sure to put a link to Dr. Donat's website on local12.com if you're interested in finding out more. Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you.
Happy holidays.